AWS Control Tower is an easiest self-service solution to automate the setup of new multi-account environment within AWS. Once we plan to migrate to AWS Cloud, and once we have a plan to build a strong baseline using AWS Control Tower, so what we can do is we can use of AWS Control Tower to build the convenient landing zone for us. So it is a managed service from AWS Control Tower, and you can have multiple AWS accounts managed through the AWS organizations. We can see that as well. Plus, you can have the deployment of best practices and blueprints and guardrails implementation. Plus, you have an AWS service offering which can automatically create your new AWS accounts. Plus, you can have a dashboard for monitoring and compliance. So you can create an multi-account strategy, multi-account environment. You can deploy all the best practices, all the security guardrails. You grow in your AWS environment. You need to create another account. It comes up with an account automation, account creation, where once you create a new account, in that new account, it will be automatically launched by having all the security guardrails implemented in it. Plus, you can have a dashboard where you can see all the compliance, all the resources from a single source.